Welcome to the channel, Scott's Garage HTX. Don't forget the HTX. And why the clown tie? Well, the clown show must continue. I went to weigh the Streetfighter. I weighed the V2 and that was a clown show basically. This time I've done something smarter? Well, maybe. Let me show you what I did. I made this platform. The scales are secure. I got a little kickstand raise here because you will be raised off the ground a little bit. And these ramps are bolted down there. So hopefully a little safer. What am I going to do with this once it's done? Well, I'm probably going to chop it up a little piece and throw it in my dumpster. Unless somebody wants to come by the shop and pick it up and it's theirs. I don't want it anymore. The other thing I've done is I've got one of these Featherlight lithium batteries. So here's the plan. I'm going to switch the batteries. We'll weigh them first and then we'll weigh the Streetfighter. We'll get started. As far as I know to get this battery out, it's 4 3mm bolts that hold this cover on. Take the cover off, then there's a 4mm Allen bolt that has a plastic cover, holding a plastic cover over the battery. Then undo the battery, take the battery out. There are more in-depth videos on YouTube to do that, but that's basically it. It's changing a battery. Stock battery weighs 5 pounds, 8 ounces, basically 5 pounds, 8 ounces, 9 ounces. The replacement lithium battery, 1 pound, 7.5 ounces. That's pretty cool, and the weight's up high. The battery is in. I've got a word of caution though. Older bikes don't have the same charging systems that newer bikes have and may not be able to take a lithium battery. Make sure your charging system on your bike is compatible with the lithium battery before you make this kind of change. This is a 2024 Streetfighter V4. It should be able to take this change, no problem. Now all I do is weigh it. Let the clown show begin. All right, let's see. We have, oh, not bad, not bad. About 230 and about 218 right there. So that is 448 savings. Streetfighter supposedly weighs 463 pounds wet. So that's close to 15 pounds we shaved off of it. Yeah, okay, so, well, there you have it. Not too bad. Another clown show wrapped up. You guys keep on keeping on. We'll catch you next time.